check this out. Got a mirror. Hello. Hello. What body parts do you use when you speak? You've probably never thought about this, but there's a lot involved in creating sound. You have your lips, your tongue, your teeth, your throat, your voice box, and your vocal cords. And you also have your lungs, right? We have to have air in order to create sound. So today we're focusing on consonant sounds. There are different types of consonant sounds, okay? So what happens if you close your lips and build up pressure with air in the mouth and then let it go? Let's try. You get P, or like a P sound, right? So this is one category of sounds. They're a little bit explosive. There's something that blocks air, allows us to build pressure, and then we release. So you get P, B, T, D, K, G, right? The next category, what happens if you take a big breath in and then you say the sound S? Let's try. I could say that for as long as air. I could say that sound for as long as the air will come out of my mouth, right? I can't do that with a P sound, right? It's a little bit different. So we have some sounds like this where the air just comes out continuously. Sounds like sh, right? There's a few others. So that's another type of sound. And then we'll also look at sounds where we can close the mouth, turn on the voice, and breathe air out the nose. So you can test that by placing your finger underneath your nose. Try that. You get the sound So here you can already see that there are different categories and different ways that we use our body parts to make sound, okay? So we can also talk about sound as being either voiced or voiceless. So using the vocal cords, right? So if we use the vocal cords and they are tense, then we have a voiced sound. And we can recognize a voiced sound by doing a little test. If you touch here and you feel a vibration, that sound is voiced. So you try the sound You feel a vibration, okay? So let's try that same sound, but this time we'll turn the voice off, right? Now there's only air passing through here. The vocal cords are relaxed, okay? So there's no vibration. And you can turn these vocal cords, you can turn the voice on and off, right? Essentially, it's the same sound. I'm doing the same thing with my mouth, And the only thing that's changing is the voice turning on and off. Okay? So, we're looking at categories of sounds. We've seen voiced and voiceless sounds. But really in this lesson, I just want you to become familiar with the different sounds of American English, okay? So we talked about how English does not have a one-to-one relationship of letters and sounds, right? Sounds and letters are two different things. And this is why English spelling is confusing, okay? But we do have a system that is one-to-one, and that's called the International Phonetic Alphabet, or the IPA, okay? So this is a system of symbols that have a direct connection to the sound that they make. It's really helpful because it gives us a way to know the exact pronunciation of something. So these are the symbols that you will see if you look it up, if you look up a word in the dictionary, okay? So think about this. We have the word banana. How do you pronounce A in the word banana? Right? We have 3 A's, but 2 different pronunciations. B and then na. No. Right? So these two sounds the same, but this one sounds different. Ah. But it's the same letter. That's confusing. We also have this TH combination. So how do you pronounce TH in English? Look at the word 3 and then the word there. Is that TH the same pronunciation? One is voiceless, 3, and the other is voiced, there. There's a vibration, okay? So, this is why the International Phonetic Alphabet is so helpful, okay? It can help us learn the pronunciation of any language in the world. But don't worry, we're just talking about English, okay? So, a lot of the symbols in this alphabet overlap with the alphabet that we know. But what you will see when you move through this lesson is that there are some new symbols, okay? Some are a little bit different, and you will see those in the lesson this week. I don't expect you to learn those symbols, but I do want you to practice the sounds that they make, okay? So, that is an introduction to the consonant sounds of English. Good luck this week.